All right, so imagine this. You have a brilliant app idea, but there's just one problem. You don't know how to code. Feels impossible? Well, not anymore. Thanks to AI power tools today, anyone can build fully functional apps with no coding experience needed. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 4 best free no-code AI app builders that are perfect for beginners. I'll walk you through their standout features, I'll showcase some apps built on top of these platforms, and I'll even give you a quick website walkthrough to help you get started on your own personal project. Now, first up on our list is FlutterFlow. This no-code platform offers a cross-platform solution that allows you to build on mobile, on desktop, and on the web. With its drag-and-drop builder, you can create professional UI designs, generate clean code, and then launch apps in both app stores. So if you're someone with a brilliant idea but limited coding experience, FlutterFlow might be the perfect tool for you. Now, however, for those of us with a little bit more technical expertise, FlutterFlow also supports low-code customization, which means users can extend their projects with custom code. FlutterFlow offers a range of features designed to help you build high-quality, customized apps really fast. You can build even faster visually using 200 plus pre-designed UI elements using FlutterFlow's action flow editor, and then in test mode, you can test your app and then fix bugs easily and quickly. It seamlessly integrates with Firebase and Supabase, making it easy to manage all of your databases. And then the apps that are built on FlutterFlow are all fully responsive. That means it fits every single device size. FlutterFlow has also been used to create various apps, such as Coin. It's a mobile application that focuses on personal finance management. And then we have Coenter. It's a great app for any traveler applying for an e-visa or an ETA. Check them out. Now let's see how the FlutterFlow builder actually works. Once you've signed up and into your account, then it allows you to start with pre-made templates you might want to use. On the left panel, we have all of the elements, and then here on the right is the parameters tab. This tab lets you customize each element's functionality and appearance. You can also drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons into your app. To edit the image, simply click on the image. Then here you can replace it, you can resize it, or edit it any way you want. We have the widget tree, which shows you the hierarchy of elements in your app. And then we have the storyboard, where you can visualize all of your app pages and then how they interconnect with one another. This feature makes it easy to understand user flow and navigation. So for example, what happens after I log into your app? You can see that. We can also see the database, the API calls page, and the theme settings page, where you can adjust the colors, the typography, and the widget styling to align with your branding. And if you want to see the generated Flutter code, just click on the button here on the top right and view the code. Then if you want to preview all of the work you've done so far on your app, all you have to do is simply click the preview button to test your app's appearance and functionality, again, on all devices on mobile, desktop, and tablet because it's responsive. FlutterFlow's AI generation tool simplifies app building even more. You just need to enter a prompt to describe your page, and in about a minute, the AI designs the page for you, and all you have to do is choose your color palettes and click the insert page button, and voila, it will add it to your app. Unlike some competitors, FlutterFlow allows users to also collaborate with team members using branching, so you can share project links, leave comments, assign tasks, and invite team members, even more team members, to collaborate without any extra setup or hassle. And I know you're thinking about it. What about pricing? FlutterFlow offers a free plan for beginners, allowing users to practice and get to know the platform a little bit better. For the more advanced features, the standard plan costs $18 per month, where you can download project source code or APK, while the Pro plan and the Teams plan both cost $42 a month. So if you're looking for a no-code platform with a bunch of flexibility and functionality, FlutterFlow is definitely worth exploring. Next is Adalo. Adalo is a mobile app builder. Now you can see here, it says no coding required. One of the advantages here is that it's a lot simpler than FlutterFlow, focusing on simplicity, and it reflects on their homepage, making it ideal for first-time app builders. It's also an all-in-one builder, allowing you to design, build, and then publish your app without having to touch a single line of code. You can also attach to external databases and bring the information you already have, so you could use Google Sheets or Airtable and other databases. Adalo also supports payment integrations integrations with Stripe and other platforms, so users can also connect external APIs using Zapier or direct API keys, and also offer more features like geolocation and custom actions and many others to enhance the functionalities of your projects. Some examples of apps built on Adalo are Chara, an app designed to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Then there's Joy Blossom, a meditation app. And then Booze app, of course, an app that allows consumers to compare liquor prices and value their liquor collection, right after you finish meditating. So if you want to find exactly what you're trying to build, they already have a number of templates for you that you can already choose from and start with right away. Now let's take a look at the builder inside Adalo. As you can see here, unlike FlutterFlow's storyboard feature where you visualize page interactions, Adalo allows you to build directly within the screen view. If you click on the plus icon at the top left, here you can add components, sections, or features, and then drag and drop them in and around to your app. Now, if you want to add components like images, text, or buttons, again, just simply drag and drop to the page. For example, I want to add an image and then I want to add a button. Now here in the branding tab, it allows users to adjust the primary and secondary colors, the typography for headings and body text, and then the changes here will also apply across the entire project. Under it, we have screen, which you can also add screen here. For example, we can add a blank screen and then name this the About section. Then we have a built-in database that supports external database connections. Then the settings, if you want to edit the display settings or add additional icons. And then at the bottom, we have the API keys. And then here we have the analytics. Now, once you're done editing with your app, you can preview all of your work by selecting different font sizes to test responsiveness. Now, let me talk to you and show you about the pricing. Adalo, like FlutterFlow, allows a free plan for users who want to explore and practice building apps. And then for those needing more features, the starter plan costs $36 a month, billed annually, or $45 a month, billed monthly. The professional plan is priced at $52 a month, billed annually, the team plan, and the business plan as well. Now, most users like you and I typically will choose the starter or the professional plan, as these offer enough features for building and launching a fully functional app already. Now, moving on to another AI app builder, Glide. Glide is modern business software known for transforming spreadsheets into fully functional apps with no coding required. Now, Glide makes it easy to create custom tools for your specific business. You can create custom portals, an intuitive dashboard, build a flexible CRM, build an app for knowledge, for answers and resources they need. And it's also great for inventory management. So it's basically data or spreadsheets into apps very quickly. Now, recently, Glide introduced AI capabilities like everything else, enabling us to describe an app and then generate it automatically. And if you can see their latest website, they introduced the new automation workflow builder, where you can now create automations that allow your Glide apps to complete tasks without any user interaction at all whatsoever. Some companies already working with Glide are Mint Leads, Build 360, CPF Floors, V88, and a whole bunch more. Now let's take a closer look at the builder inside Glide. Once you're on your dashboard, click on New App. Here, you can start building a new app from a template, an AI-generated one, or from existing data sources, or if you want to start from a blank canvas. Once inside the editor, you'll see at the top the Database tab where all of the app data is stored, the layout or the app's user interface, and the workflows. Here you can add new components. You can choose different components you might want to add as well. So for example, if you want to add a list here, then you can customize the components on the right panel. You can also add pages here, for example. If you want to add a dashboard or you want to add a chat feature, simply add a chat component. Now let's try to create an app using AI generation. First, you need to describe the app you want to create, then it will generate the core structure. And as you can see, we have here equipment, transaction, and employees. You can preview to test the app's appearance on mobile and desktop. And once you're ready, all you got to do is click to publish and to generate a shareable app link. Now about the pricing, well, Glide offers flexible pricing plans to suit different kinds of needs. Like the others, we have have a free plan, which is the entry point for new users, but now it only allows for one app with limited updates and data sources. The Maker plan costs $69 per month if billed yearly and allows unlimited personal users, so you can invite as many people as you want, and then you will get all the free features as well. And the business plan, which costs $199 per month if billed annually. Here, you can connect multiple data sources, including Google Sheets, Airtable, and Excel, and you can publish unlimited apps. Last on our list is Bubble.io. Bubble is one of the most powerful no-code platforms, allowing users to design, develop, and launch full-stack web applications without having to write a single line of code. Now, whether you want to build a two-sided marketplace, a complex web app, a task management tool, or even an AI startup, Bubble provides the flexibility to make it all happen. And if you check on their website right now, it says they're also working on a mobile app builder. So soon, you'll also be able to use Bubble to build a native mobile app. Bubble allows users to visually design their app using a drag and drop interface. Again, you can add buttons, forms, images, and other elements to create a fully customized UI. And instead of traditional coding, Bubble offers a workflow system to handle backend logic. You can automate complex tasks, connect APIs, and also integrate with external tools like Airtable, Google Maps, Stripe, and Zapier. Bubble also provides scalable hosting, so you don't have to manage servers on your own or configure any of them. And the responsive engine allows you to create apps that adapt to any screen size. Bubble has been around since 2012, so it's grown into a pretty large community. And because of that, there are a ton of templates that have been created by the community from other users. So you can access literally thousands of pre-built templates, UI components, and workflows to accelerate your development. Some of the most successful apps built on Bubble are Dividend Finance, a trailblazing financial platform, Cure with 2 U's, a venture-backed wellness company providing personal supplements, and Better Legal, a one-stop shop for every new business. You can check on the examples page on their website to see examples of apps that have already been built with Bubble. Now let's go ahead and jump into the Bubble App Builder. Once you sign up, you can start building your app using AI. All you gotta do is simply describe your app data and it will generate your app. But in this case, I'm going to click this, skip, and then just take me straight to the editor. Now, once you access the dashboard, you'll find on the left panel, it provides access to tabs and features. Now, once you click on the Create an App button at the top right, it will prompt you to enter the name of your app. Now, if you want to build an app from scratch, simply enter the desired name of your app. But let's say you prefer to create using a pre-built template. All you got to do is click on the Explore Templates option. Now here, you can browse through a collection of free and paid templates. You can use the category option to find a specific template you might want. And if you click on it, then you will go to the next page and click on Get Template. Now enter the desired name for your app, and once you're done, you'll be taken to the Bubble editor. Here, you can customize a template and transform it into your own unique app. To customize, select the content of the page on the right sidebar. There will appear a way you can modify the appearance and the layout according to your own personal preferences. To change the app logo, simply click on it, then customize it from this panel. Then here, you can create and upload your own logo. You can change the text by clicking on it and then changing it under the Appearance tab. If you are on the registration page and let's say you want to rechange the position of these fields, you can simply just drag and drop them to your desired position on the page. Now, to customize the page, navigate to the left top corner and then click on Page. Select the specific page you want to customize, and once you've customized that entire page, you can preview all of your work, you can preview the app, and if you're ready to publish the app, simply click on the Deploy button. Now, Bubble offers a free plan like everybody else, great for projects that are under construction and also ideal for learning and experimenting with one app editor. Then there's a starter plan for $29 a month that lets you publish apps, connect custom domains, and use version control. The growth plan at $119 per month supports 2 app editors, 2-factor authentication, and additional workflow capacity. Then finally, the team plan at $349 a month, and it's ideal Adalo for larger teams, allowing up to 5 editors, sub-apps, and custom branches. So there you have it, 4 of the best AI-powered no-code app builders, perfect for beginners. Now with these platforms, you can bring your great app ideas to life without having to touch and write a single line of code. How great is that? Now tell me, which platform are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.